Welcome guys to a new video. Have you ever wondered whether you should move your stop once you're inside a trade? It's a question every trader faces. Should you let the market hit your stop as planned? Should you cut the trade early to reduce your loss? Or should you widen your stop to avoid being shaken out too soon? Today, we're going to break this down because the answer depends on much more than just the chart. It depends on your system, your mindset, and your discipline. Think about how chimpanzee mothers have been seen carrying the bodies of their dead infants for days, unable to accept reality. As humans, we do the same with losing trades. We refuse to let them go, even though we placed a stop for a reason. This is where the struggle begins. Do you manage the stop actively, or do you let the system play out passively? There are two schools of thought among traders. The mechanical trader. They believe if the system has an edge with the original stop, then touching or moving that stop destroys the edge. They let the market hit it. Win or lose, it's part of the plan. The adaptive trader. They believe new price information should influence decisions. If the market shifts and invalidates the original scenario, they adjust, exit early, or look for a better opportunity. Which one is right? Well, let's use a famous example from game theory, the Monty Hall problem. Imagine you're on a game show. You pick one of 3 doors, hoping for the prize. The host opens another door showing you it's empty. Do you stick with your original choice or do you switch? The best move is always to switch. Why? Because new information has changed the probability from 33% to 50%. It's the same in trading. When new information appears on the chart, should you ignore it? Or should you adapt? The answer depends on your system and your discipline. Whether you move your stop or not depends on 2 factors: your technical skill, your emotional discipline. This gives us 4 trader types: skilled, plus disciplined. You can manage stops actively, use new information, and emotions won't interfere. Weak skill, plus strong discipline. You must stick to the system and let the stop stand. Focus on improving your technical skills. Strong skill plus weak discipline. You understand the market but your emotions sabotage you. In this case, you must automate exits and avoid the temptation to interfere. Weak skill plus weak discipline. You must also automate exits. Keep it mechanical until you develop skills and self-control. Notice, in 3 out of 4 cases, the best option is to leave the stop untouched. Now, for those who made it this far, let's wrap up with this. You see, in the world of trading, there are countless ways to enter a trade, but only one way to exit a trade properly. And that's by cutting your losses and letting your winners run. It's a simple concept, but its power lies in its simplicity. When you execute this strategy, you're not fighting against the market, you're working with it. It's like riding a wave to the top. Let the momentum carry you to the peak, and then gracefully ride back down, always ready to catch the next wave. The beauty of this approach is its adaptability. It works across various markets, strategies, and time frames. Whether you're trading stocks, cryptocurrencies, Forex, or commodities, this timeless technique remains your constant companion. Its simplicity allows you to focus on what truly matters: reading the market, managing your emotions, and staying disciplined. Remember, it's not about chasing unrealistic profits or trying to beat the market. It's about understanding its rhythm and finding your place within it. So as you continue your journey in the world of trading, embrace this philosophy. Cut your losses, let your winners run, and above all, stay adaptable. For those looking to dive deeper into the world of trading, we've handpicked a selection of courses. No, these are condensed masterclasses designed to give you a strategic edge in the market. In a few hours, you can learn advanced techniques that many traders spend years figuring out on their own. So why wait? Don't forget, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. If you liked the video and found it useful, please help me with a like and subscribe.